Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a Rotisserie restored 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS convertible. It has a 327 V8, a 700 R4 automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, and is painted in Ermine white, black top, and red Deluxe interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So we'll just walk up here. Let's open up the trunk here. Pop that up and open that up so you can see underneath the trunk lid here. It's all painted nicely. We got the jacking instructions here. Inside the trunk, it's all spackle coated underneath. You can see it's nice and solid. We do have the trunk mat here done in the houndstooth design. Beautiful. We'll go ahead and close that trunk and we'll zoom out and you can see the interior. So it's got the red Deluxe interior, beautiful interior. It's got the black convertible top. It's a power top as well, and that's been replaced within the last few years. All right, well, as you can see, the bright work on the car. Chrome is in fantastic condition. We have the SS rear spoiler on the deck lid panel there, so that was upgraded. It has LED tail lights. We got the RS gas cap back there. Nice bumpers here with the bumperettes. I'll show you underneath the car so you can see it's nicely detailed there. And we'll spin the car around, check out the wheels next. All right, so you're gonna notice we have the Boyd Coddington 5-spoke wheels on it. It's a nice chrome wheel. It's got Toyo tires are all the way around it. Rear tire size is a 245/45 R17. We got four-wheel disc brakes and they have the red calipers as well, and they are power brakes as well. You can see the exhaust tucks in there and it comes out here, dumps there on each side. All the fender wells are nicely detailed there. Show you the front wheel next. So here's our front tire size is a 215/45 R17, so nice staggered pattern here. And again, power disc brakes. You can see underneath there, looks great as well. We got the Camaro 327 badge there. Let's check out the interior next on this side. So you can see the beautiful Deluxe door panel. So it's nicer than the standard panel. You got the red and Camaro there. Your window crank here, up and down, moves nicely. 67, you get the vent windows. And you can see the carpet down there. See the doors are solid, the weather stripping looks good. I'll show you the door jambs on this side. You got Body by Fisher kick plate there, all looking good. Let's check out the rear seat here. Let's roll this up. You can see the interior looks like brand new. Beautiful red interior, the black pinstripe there. The seat belts look like brand new with the GM there. We got the window cranks back here, ashtrays, one on each side, and you got one on here. There we go. See, it all looks great. We got the brand new carpet installed during the restoration. We got the nice rubber floor mats. You can see even behind the seat looks great. Let's back, so you can see the beautiful floor mats, and then again the carpet looks like new. Scan the seat here. You can see very little wear. Looks great. It's got the optional headrest on this one, so that was a rare option back in '67. Let's close the door up here, and we'll walk down the car so you can see that beautiful SS spoiler there. There's your top down, that nice red interior. See all the bright work, looks great. Door handles, paint looks fantastic. There's your wheels from this angle here. It's got the body molding underneath there, where the rockers are. And again, the 327 badge. I do see a little couple touch-up spots there on the door, probably from lining it up. We got the RS Bumblebee stripe painted on the front here, and they just painted. It's not a decal, so it's on there. All right, we'll show you the. Let's show you underneath the car on this side first before we walk away. As you can see, we got exhaust, nice mufflers there. I believe they're MagnaFlow stainless mufflers. I have to look again, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. We got headers on this car as well. All right, front bumper looks great. We got the bumperettes here as well. Again, the RS grille with the RS there, and it's got the electric headlights, so upgraded from the original vacuum, so they move nice and quick. Here's under the hood, is painted in that nice satin finish, as well as the engine compartment. We have an MSD ignition on this, and it's got a 327 V8 in it. It's got newer Vortec heads on it, and it's got a Holley EFI setup, so it's fuel injected now. And you can see those stainless headers. They're made by Hooker. And we got power steering and power disc brakes. There's our plate there, so you can see what this car is. All right, let's close up the hood. Nicely detailed there. It was restored, rebuilt on restoration. Down below, you're gonna see how nice and clean it looks under there. All right, we'll make our way to the wheels here. And the last one over here. And there's that other exhaust pipe there. All right, door panel on this side looks great. We got the mirror on this side here. And again, all the windows cranked nice here, up and down. Glass looks good. There's the carpet. And then all the door jambs there. We got the your VIN plate there. I'll show you back here. And again, the ashtray, you can see, looks like nobody ever smoked in the car, but it's probably been replaced, so it was rotisserie restored. So here's our pedals, there's our mats, and this really cool bucket seat. And we'll scan it here, and it looks great. All right, dash pad and dash. They look like brand new. I don't see any cracks or tears. Let's jump in. Okay, close up the door here. Okay, you got wipers here, you got your lights here. Here's your speedometer and mileage. Looks like we got 57,303 miles on the car. Now that's probably, could be original, but we can't stand behind that. It might have been rolled over at one point. And then we have your RPM tack there. Over here, we have your cigarette lighter and your ignition. Check out the steering wheel. So it's the Deluxe steering wheel with a red and with a nice chrome finish here, a 3-spoke design. And then over here, we got your climate controls, and we have the original radio there. I don't think that one works, but it is there. And then we have our ashtray here. Down here we have your additional gauges. So we got your fuel gauge there, your temp gauge, a clock, and some more gauges there for battery and stuff. Down here we have your automatic shifter. Again, it's a floor shift, which makes it cool, and it's a 700 R4, so you get the 4-speed instead of the 2 that it came with. Power glide. Down here we have the nice console here. Let's open this up here so you can see we got a nice console. It's in great shape, and here's your Holley EFI system. All right, well, let's go ahead and start it up. I got the keys here. Here we go. And again, it's fuel injected, so we'll just wait for this to fire up here. Once that fires up, we just turn the key. All right, here we go. Just like that. It runs nice. We might have to do some tuning. It was just installed, so it probably needs to be driven and tuned, but right now it's running pretty good. Horn works there. Again, it's a power convertible top. Let's rev it up a few times here. Here it's nice and healthy. Sounds like a muscle car. Alright, let's jump out here. We'll get the top up. So there is a button down here for your power terminal top. So all you do is hold this button here. You can see it's nicely lined under here. And it comes down. We got 2 latches to put up. There's your back window there. Well, let's jump in and get this top done up here. We got a latch here. And one on this side here. All right, let's jump out. Go into the front here. There we are, there's the car there. Actually, I want to show you something over here. We got some more documentation that goes with the car. Some really cool stuff here. We got the original broadcast sheet, some original documents from 1967 on the car, even a 67 owner's manual, warranty card. Here's a 1967 401 guide there, another map from 1967. And then over here we got some other documentation, so some original receipts from the car from 1967. That's so cool. And look, it just looks like brand new, so nice stuff to hold on to. Let's spin the car around. We'll make our way back here. See the black convertible top there, up, looking great. Listen to that. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS convertible. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, a 327 V8, 700 R4 automatic transmission, and is painted in Ermine white with a red Deluxe interior.